Good morning friends, I hope you are doing well. So let me discuss another example for constructing the minimal DFA. Construct a minimal DFA over alphabets A comma B for a language L1 contains strings ending with AB. Till now we have discussed examples like ending with B, starting with B, contains B, all these things. Now we will discuss another example ending with AB. So first thing I need to find what are the strings which belongs to this language L1. So the smallest one is AB. Why? You can ask me, sir, epsilon, length 0 is epsilon, whether it is ending with AB? No, so it does not belongs to. Length 1 is A, whether it is ending with AB? No, it is only consists of A. How it will end with B? So it is also not ends with AB. Okay, so length 0 is not possible, length 1 is not possible. Length 2 is AB is only allowed because of length 2 what are the strings are there? AA, AB, BA, BB. Among this one only AB is ending with AB, rest of all are not ending with AB. Now we will see of length 3. What are the strings possible over length 3? AAB, BAB. Okay, these are possible. Okay, so now we will see of length 4. What are the strings are possible over length 4? Length 4 is AAAB, ABAB, BAAB, BBAB. These are the strings possible over length 4. What about length 5? There will be some strings. Length 6. Some strings are possible which are ending with AB. So this is an infinite language. Once you find that it is an infinite language, there may be a DFA or there may not be a DFA. We will check whether for this language whether we can construct a DFA or not. After few videos I will discuss for which language you cannot construct the DFA. So for this language we will check whether we can construct the DFA or not. So how can I do it? First I will take the smallest string possible over this language L1. What is the smallest string possible over this length 2 is AB because this is the smallest string belongs to language L1. So first I will construct the basic DFA. So Q0 on A I am going to Q1, Q1 on B I am going to Q2. So AB is accepted. Next we will see Q0 on A I have discussed. Now Q0 on B what will happen we will discuss. Then we can finish the DFA construction. Now if it is BAB it should be accepted because it is ending with AB. If it is BBAB it should be accepted or not? Yeah, it should be accepted. Or if it is 3B's AB this also is ending with AB. So I can say that it can start with any number of B's but it should end with AB. So I can write a B here. Q0 on B, it is going to Q0 itself. We'll see. Q0 on B, we'll check this one. From its initial state Q0, on B you are going to Q0 only. Q0 on A, you are going to Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to Q2. Where Q2 is a final state or not? Q2 is a final state. So this one should be accepted and it is accepting also. Now if it is 2B's AB, still it will be accepted. 3A's AB, it will be accepted. And these strings belongs to this language L1. So it is correct till now. We will see the next one. So from Q0 on A and B we have discussed. Now we will see Q1 on B we have given a move. On A what will happen we will see. We'll take the smallest one. A, then B. Whether it should be accepted or not. It is ending with AB, so it should be accepted. Now A, B. Whether it should be accepted or not. Yeah, it belongs to language L1 because it is ending with AB. If it is A, 3A's B. Whether it should be accepted or not. It should be accepted because it is ending with AB. So what I can say, I will keep a here. Then we will check whether it is correct or not. we will take that AAB, the smallest one. Q naught is the initial state. Q naught on A, you are going to Q1. Q1 on A, you are going to Q1 itself. Q1 on B, you are going to Q2. So I can say that you are reaching to the final state. This string is accepted by the DFA, which belongs to this long ways L1. Is it clear? It is there here. And if you see any number, let's take this one, B. Q naught on A, you are coming to Q1. Q1 on A, Q1 itself. Q1 on A, Q1 itself. Q1 on B, you are going to a final state called Q2. So it is accepted and it belongs to long base L1. So it is correct till now. So meaning is that A, any number of A's, then B should be accepted and it is accepting. Okay. Now we will see what happened on Q2 on B. Okay. If it is on B, meaning is that you have gone through the basic AB. If you see another B, then whether it is right, people will think that if it is ending with this B, then it should not be accepted. Yeah, obviously it should not be accepted because this string is ending with BB. It is not ending with AB. Okay. So a lot of people will think, sir, it should not accept this one. Okay. So I will go for a dead state. It's done. But that is not correct. Why it is so that, let's take that I have AB, then B, then AB. Is it a correct one or not? Yes, this should be accepted because it belongs to long ways L1 because it is ending with AB. Let's see, if I do like this, what will happen? Q naught on A, I am coming to Q1. Q1 on B, I am coming to Q2. Q2 on B, I am going to a dead state. If I write like this, this is a dead state. Then from this state, I cannot move further. Then after the B, I will be there at the D itself because after reaching the dead state, whatever the alphabet you are seeing, you will be there in the dead state only. So I can say that whatever the DFA you are constructing is not accepting this string. So which is not a correct because this string belongs to the given long ways L1. So what should I do? How I will do is that once AB you have seen one B, then wait for another AB. What is the meaning of my question is, you have seen AB. Then if you seen AB, then only you came here. Now you want to see another B. If you seen another B, you wait for another AB so that it will end with AB. So that's why I have written here. The B is going to the Q naught. We will check whether it is right or wrong. I am in the state Q naught. On A, I am going to Q1. Q1 on B, I am going to Q2. Q2 on B, I am going to Q naught. Q naught on A, I am going to Q1. Q1 on B, I am going to state called Q2. So whether Q2 is a final state? Yes, Q2 is a final state. So I can say that AB is accepted by the DFA, which belongs to this long ways L1. Okay. So it is correct. You can take any example, AB then B. You should watch the AB, any number of ABs. Okay. Now, what about on A? If you are in the Q2, if you see a A, what should you do? I will write this one like this. We will check whether it is right or wrong. Means Q2 on A, you are going to Q1. We will see whether it is right or wrong. AB, once you watch the AB, then you will come to Q2. On A, you went here, then it is right or wrong, we will check. Meaning is that after Q2, if you watch another A, better go for Q1. From Q1 on B, you will come to Q2. Then it is ending with B. So, whether the string is ending with AB or not, yes, it is ending with AB. So, if it is ending with AB, it belongs to long ways L1 and my DFA should accept it. We will check it. Q0 on A, you are coming to Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to Q2. Q2 on A, you are coming to Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to Q2, which is a final state. Q2 is a final state. So I can say that this string was accepted by the DFA, which belongs to language L1. So it is correct. Now we will see one example which does not belongs to this language L1, or one string we will see. ABBA. Whether this ABBA belongs to language L1? No, because it does not ends with AB. So what my DFA should do? It should not accept. Meaning is that it should not go to a final state. Let's see. Q0 on A. Q0 on A, you came to Q1. Q1 on B, you have reached to Q2 state. Q2 on B, you are going to Q0. Q0 on A, you are going to Q1. Whether Q1 is a final state? No, it is not a final state. So I can say that the string was not accepted by the DFA, which does not belong to this language L1. So I can say that what are the strings which belongs to language L1 was accepted by the DFA. What are the strings which does not belongs to this language L1 will not be accepted. So I can say that for the given question, this is the minimal DFA, which consists of 3 states. Okay, if you have any doubts, or if you find any string which does not belongs to language L1 is accepted, you please give it in the comment section. I will check it and I will answer your doubts. Thank you so much.